Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 5th, and this is my market recap where we're going to look at the euro dollar on the 1 hour time frame for a quick recap. If you haven't done so already, definitely join my free Discord trading community. The link for that is at the end of this video down here in the corner. And if you would like to join my membership, it is only $30 a month to get you access to all the benefits listed below and more. So definitely check that out at fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, your dollar did end up continuing up. Like I was saying this morning, there's a very good chance this right here is the end of a correction. I mean, I think it pretty much is confirmed that this is the end of a wave B or wave two. Either way, whether we're in a wave three or whether we're in a wave C, either scenario, I do not think this uptrend is over, especially looking at the US dollar index. So if it does break structure to the downside, first thing I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement on those last series of higher highs, higher lows, and I would look for a three-way pullback to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't break structure to the downside, which honestly it doesn't have to, if it makes another higher low, if it makes another higher low, then just continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback. So pay attention to your structure, break a structure, throw your fib on, and look for three-way pullbacks. No break a structure, continue to trade the higher high, higher low series until there is a break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you and happy trading.